Seasons changing. You want hand warmers? This is a 2-pack. You like to go fishing, hiking, hunting, whatever you do outdoors or just walking around. You want to keep your hands warm. This product may be right for you. So let's get a close-up look, see how easy these are to work and what the product's about. They are individually wrapped. Open up. The U60 comes with 2 manuals, one for each. 2 cables, USB-A with the C adapter plugged in. A small carrying pouch that also acts as a hand warmer holder. The hand warmer with a rubber strap that fits a large hand and is stretchable. On the top there's some type of indicator, LED lights, the USB-C charging port, and the on and off button. Your first time you're going to plug into a power source and the unit, and it's going to charge with 2 lights. Allow the unit to charge up to full capacity. Any dedicated charger will fit, and there is the lights indicating. This unit's got a 6000 mAh battery. It is warm after it's charged. There are 2 buttons, the on and off, and the levels of changing. There are 3 levels of changing. Green is 104, yellow is 122, and red is 131. You turn the unit on. There's the green, the yellow, the red. That is already hot. Within 3 seconds, this generates heat. Red is not going to last 12 full hours, nor will yellow, but green should. The longer you use this with the higher heat, the shorter your battery life will be. You have a pouch. You put it in the pouch. You could put this in your pocket so you can prevent yourself from burning your hands if it gets too hot for you. You want additional heat, you take it out of the pouch and you hold it in your hands. When you set up your hand warmer, the LED indicators will slowly turn off within a few seconds. If you want to see what you're on, just press the button and it will light up. They are very soft blue light. And the level of indication is located over here. If you cannot remember your level location, you can write it down if you like. Man, this thing will work in skiing, hiking, going fishing, working, wherever you need to have hand warmers. The reason why they give you 2, because the left hand could be warm as well as your right hand. And if you want to hand this off to somebody if they're getting a little cool, yes indeed, you could put one in the hand like so to warm your hands. Now a tip, you could slide this into a glove, but it's going to be a little difficult to close your hand. But at least you can warm your hands and your fingers if you get a little too cold in the off-season temperatures. So I hope this hand warmer may be right for you and what you're looking for to warm up your hands, in your pocket, wherever you use hand warmers.